So thank you so much, guys. My name is Dinah Sebastian. I'm the business developer manager of Hansgrohe, who takes care of whole Karnataka altogether. Okay? So this is totally an informal session. I know you guys are having a formal setup, but ask as many questions as you guys can have. Mr. Hansgrohe is the father and Grohe is the second son, but the company is totally separate. The manufacturing factory, everything is separate. Okay, so the whole entities are separate. Just I'm starting with that note that Hansgrohe and Grohe is two different entities. Hansgrohe was started by Mr. Hansgrohe himself in 1901. He is the one who made the first hand shower. Okay, so that is also one plus point of, that's why we say we are pioneering CP fittings mostly. So right now we are distributing in 152 countries. So these are different countries we are distributing right now. In Hansgrohe, we have two brands. Hansgrohe, which is the premium brand. Then comes the AECORD, which is the designer brand. Why we call it as a designer brand or the luxury brand, I will tell you further. These are the designers who are working as freelancers with Hansgrohe. Here are the names which you see: Philip Stark, Phoenix Design. Especially Phoenix Design, he is ranked in #1 in the world as a designer. These guys not only design CP fittings, faucet. They also design Olympic medals, pens, furnitures, and all of these things. Yes, yes, and they not have a constraint कि उनको Hansgrohe have told them कि आपको यही design technology हमारे पास, you have to design anything like this. Values, why we feel like we're different from the other brands. Innovation, every year or every 2 years, we either innovate a new design or a technology. Like this select button, we have innovated it. The hand showers, we have innovated. So there are a lot of things. Quality, when we say made in Germany, each and everything we manufacture by ourselves. This golden thing, what you can see, what it is?
Brass.
Yes. So starting from the brass, because we want the best quality of brass, which we call as virgin brass. So we manufacture from here to the conceals to finish set to the PVD finishes. Each and everything happens in our own factory. So usually what other brands in the industry does, right? They make the finished set, but they get the conceals from the third party. So that's not our case. Next is design. For the best designs, we have the best designers. Then comes the manufacturing expertise. We have the best resources sitting in the factory to make the best quality products. Next, last, which is the most important topic, I'll come in the next slide. Sustainable products. By 2030, we have to become a sustainable brand. And how we will be doing that? These are some of the patents. Overall, we have 15,000 plus patents in Hansgrohe. These are just some patents what we have. Starting from EcoSmart or the sustainability, what we call as, in the basin mixtures or in the showers, we use a restrictor to reduce LPMs. LPMs is liter per minute. So that we can save more water by not, having any problem in the performance. Because Hansgrohe is known for performance, so we have to give the best performance. Cold start, the basin mixtures are center and left. There is no right for the cold, so that we can save more resource or the water. Starting from air power technology. So when a normal rain happens, right, the water mixes with the air and then the water comes out. So comparatively, it is softer to the body. Okay? Same technology we have used in our overhead showers. There is a suction point at the center which sucks the air, it mixes with the water, and then the water falls out. And there is a ratio in this air power technology which is 3:1, where 3 is air and 1 is water. So if a client is investing to a whole bathroom concept, and when we say luxury, it's all about the performance while taking a shower. So 3:1 is the best ratio where the shower gives the best feel of taking a shower or the best performance. So these nozzles, what you're seeing, this is of 1 mm. Inside that we have 3-4 different small nozzles, which is 0.35 mm. So when the water is coming from such a small nozzles, it is very soft. So in all the dealer points, whatever we have the displays as well as the live areas. So when you feel the normal rain shower and the powder rain shower, you yourself will feel the difference. It is soundless, it is splashless, and it's very soft. Right now we have the best spray mode. What is running is powder rain in our brand. Next is select. Whatever select buttons you are seeing now in our brand, we call as select, and we have innovated it that. Now you can see in Grohe and Kohler those small circles, right? So, and we have patent also for this place. No other brand can take this place, and because when your hands are soapy, you can easily use this for changing the modes. XXL performance, no matter how big the overhead shower is, water will always fall from shoulder to shoulder, because that is what gives the best performance or the feel of taking a shower. All the hand showers, every faucet, we usually suggest quick clean is basically just to clean like this. If you want to take out this nozzle like this, no, with your nails, it won't come out, because behind this we have a silicone pad from where these nozzles are coming out. So that's why we always suggest just quickly, you can easily clean like this. These are the different spray modes. Massage, whirl and mono is good for massaging, for the massage of the body. Powder rain is what I told right now. Intense rain is good for shampooing the hair. These two are the cascade flows, waterfall and rain stream. AECORD is the designer brand, as I told. This is the designer is Mr. Philip Stark. This is a glass basin mixture. Here what you are seeing, no, the image is not clear, but I'll show you the video of it. This much is a vortex which takes a tornado shape, and then the water falls out. So this particular glass took 7 years to be designed. Why it took 7 years to be designed? Because the water has to take a shape of a tornado. So only the glass will help to do that. And then it's an open basin mixture. So the water will have to fall straight. It should not splash left and right. So that's the beauty of this glass basin mixture. Next is AECORD Massage. It's an organic because it has the waterfall or cascade stream. AECORD Stark Organic, again the designer Mr. Philip Stark. The design is like this. So the design have came out of the tree branch. So that's how the design came of that particular, that's why it is called as organic. AECORD Edge is the jewelry piece of AECORD. Why? This box what you are seeing, it has diamond cuts. To make those diamond cuts, we have got machine from NASA who also makes the Olympic medals. So the diamond cuts are so precise because of that particular machine. And this, the name is Edge, but there is no sharp edges in the whole basin mixture. It has 45 degree of shower in the whole basin mixture. Here comes the shower heaven, one of the best showers what we have in AECORD. When the brand says, when you switch on all the 4 modes, you'll feel like a spa. That's why it is called, named as shower heaven. That's the definition of this particular shower. It's a big overhead shower. It is 1200 mm by 300 mm. So in compared to other showers in the industry, which is so big, it takes the least LPM, liter per minute, which is 30. A shoulder shower is basically the females, we don't wash our hair every day, right? So the water comes to the shoulder level. That's why we call it shoulder shower. This is all powder rain. It comes in 6 different finishes. I've kept over there. This is 360 mm, which has 3 floors. We have in single floor also. Yeah. In the industry, this is more intuitive design what we have. If you see Grohe or Kohler or any other brand, they have these circular ones. They don't have pedals one. This only we have, and these are the single pedal. Once you switch on, it will pop out. This is the volume control, and that is the thermostat. Right now we can see 4 function. If we have, for example, 1 more body jet, we can add 1 more function for this. This is 1 for hand shower, 3 for overhead shower. This button what you're seeing, we call as child lock. After 40 degree, if you need more hot water, you have to press that and then only it will turn. That is to increase or decrease the volume of the water or intensify the water. So this is one of the most selling concept in our brand. Now we can proudly say that we can start a bathroom from 40,000 till 50 lakhs per bathroom. So this is one of the range which comes in that under 1 lakh pricing. It's called as Pulsify. So somebody who needs a powder rain, who cannot afford Rain Infinity, we can give them powder rain. And this in Pulsify we have mostly, we also have all the EcoSmart products also, especially for the green buildings and all, right? Yeah. So this is one of the video of that. ऐसा नहीं है कि this is made in Germany, this is made in India. Nothing like that. A to Z, whatever the base is, everything is being made in Germany only. It's just that the placement's what we call. So now here comes the AECORD basin mixtures, what we have. In the industry, this is the most slimmest basin mixture what we have with beautiful finishes. And this called, we have select. Because it is so slim, the conceal cannot come within it. So it comes below it, below the basin mixture. AECORD 1 is the name of this particular category. So this is the vortex of tornado, what it takes, and then the water falls out. So that's why people prefer it in the living area or the dining area. It looks beautiful. AECORD is all about customization. We can customize however you guys want. Like we want the client particular tiles over this particular basin mixture, we can do that also. If you want the name to be written in that particular basin mixture, we can do that also. It's all about customization. The EWC, what we have in Hansgrohe, how it is different from Cola or Toto, I'll let you. If the electricity goes off, we have rear wash and the lady wash over this side, and the opposite side we have manual flushing, which can be done n number of the times. For example, in the other brands, how it happens, after one flushing, it takes time to fill the conceal and then only the second flushing can happen. But in here, it's a single unit with the conceal. So that problem doesn't occur over here. Then things are normal, auto open, auto close, pre-flushing, post-flushing, thermostatic seats. Last year, like recently, we have also launched ceramics. Like till now, we are saying that we are pioneer in CP fittings, but we cannot give ceramics till last year. But right now, we at least want to give the basic ceramics to our customer. At least we can give the whole bathroom concept. We call it as iBox Universal, or the backbone of Hansgrohe. Why do we call it that? 95% of the products are being installed in the single conceal. Like today, the client have put single lever diverter. After 5 years, he wants to upgrade to the shower select. No conceal has to be changed, no tile has to be break. You just have to change the finish set and put the new finish set. That's the beauty of this iBox, which in the industry no other brand has. Grohe have a smart box, but they have only for one particular category, not for all the products. So we have a lot of patents for this iBox. That's why no other brand could make something like this. Even for the overhead shower, which is more than a single flow with rain infinity and all these showers, we use the same conceal. So for plumber, for example, we have two conceals being laid down. He is not confused whether this conceal has to be put above or for the diverter, because the same conceal which he can put for both of it. Next, all the inlets and outlets, what you're seeing, right? It is not a compulsion you have to put it like that. You can put it any which ways. This is the iBox which was launched in 2000. Right now we have launched with iBox 2 also. So I'll just tell you the difference what it is. Once we installed it, whatever is the extra, here it has mentioned minimum and maximum for the tile. So whatever the extra, we used to cut it in this one, iBox 1. But for iBox 2, we can just adjust it. So that at the time of tiling, kabhi kuch gap rahe gaya, so we still have that provision to extend it or put it behind. So this is iBox. What is the heart of Hansgrohe?